On your right, mate. Going over here. Watch your back, lads. Relax. Cheers, lads. Crossing. Alright, alright. Hey, we're too cramped up. Come past that way.
I'm going to find a tree.
Check fire crossing. Alright, keep eyes up this area. Yeah, they're over that way. Yeah, back this way. Through with these. No. Fuck me, one banger and everyone's gone. Not bad. Coming down.
Nearly, mate.
What the fuck is that, a grenade?
Right, we pushed up there now, lads. We just keep pushing through.
You got eyes? Check fire crossing. Right, that's done. Which about that? On your back. Yeah. Go along them tree line over there. You get need to get my fucking lungs back first, man. Here's a fucking bind while I play. Covering. Stop moving up. Oh, right. I got this one. Move up. Come here, bud. Move up. Up, mate. Head.
Right, those coming from the corner of that building. You ain't know what to do.
Medic!
I'll meet you at the gate.
Okay. Stop it! Back in! I think barrels over that way, right up there.
I can switch all over, so take your heels in, just break something short, so really. Take my test off trying to attack this from the right hand.
One 12 o'clock directly.
Oh, you're dead, man. Hit. That's nice. That's nice. Oh, boys, I'm all down the way. Yeah, standing back there. You got swear hit in the back when he fucking moved around there. Medic! Yeah, get up with that. Yeah, I was going to say you look dead there. Ah, you fucking
Yeah, do you see him? Just yeah. Got human shield now.
Has he?
No, I have. Oh, fuck.
Medic!
This one here. We've got one here. Watch yourself, mate. I'll cover. Aye.
You went to the left. There's a dude behind it. There's a group of 3 trees. He's right behind it. Put it down on this one.
Who's the guy up there?
Yeah, he's up there. Oh.
What's it? Medic! Cheers.
Top of the hill.
Need a medic. Yeah. Go, I'll cover. Go. Oh. Call it out, call it out. Rhys, did you see someone? Like, shift along a bit. Behind the tyres!
One more running along the fence.
20 metres out! What? Right. May you move? Rhys. 12 o'clock! Straight ahead! Right, Rhys. Prepare to move. We're going up and right. Sean! Sean! On me! Right, Sean.
Yeah.
Prepare to move up and right.
Ready?
Right. Bound to there. Give cover and fire down. Lennox, push round. That's great. Right, Rhys. I got 12 o'clock. Straight through. Straight ahead. Don't worry, I'm dyslexic.
12 o'clock, fucking out, half an hour away.
Yeah, straight ahead.
Coming up the hill.
Right, Rhys. Prepare to move. Let's go. Right.
Yeah, it's probably time to fight the gun down there.
Right.
Am I gunning there? Oh, we'll hook and fire while you move.
No, look. Head down that way. Right. Come on. Get on the track. Going round and on the back. Right.
Someone's gonna slide on.
Need a medic! Straight down! Well,
Look that way.
hang on. Magazine! How the fuck am I out already?
I might just slide down here.
Thought I heard Brad there. Back in! Right, go down. 26.
Watch me, I'm going up there.
Get out. Medic! One down. You dead or not?
I'm dead.
Right, need a medic here. We'll give you cover.
He's already dead.
Still.
I'll do all your job.
Movement over there.
Doctor.
Yeah, seen.
You're right. Are you getting shot at right there?
Yeah, seen directly through. Right.
He's walking.
Right, come on.
Let's come this way.
Yeah. Hang on, you two hold there. We'll push. Right. Stop here. Hold. Right, move up! Keep going down. Right, Rhys, let's move. Any eyes on them? Oh, right round that area. Yeah. Sound. Hey, medic! You prick. Fucking hell, man. Cheers. Go. Lads, watch right, watch right! One down! Two down!
Medic!
Medic! Medic! Oh! Oh! Yeah, I need to save ammo, mate.
He's just
Negative. Yeah, see? Come around, come around! Hey!
Medic!
Medic's on the biff! Ah, he's on the biff, telling you! I hope he does.
That's what my dad said.
Where the fuck is the medic? Oh, hello! Come on, medic!
No, as soon as you get my bag, run back up top.
Nah, fuck that.
Yeah, well, that here, man.
Oh, sorry. Then him down there. Cheers. No. What's the situation looking like up there? Fuck knows. Yeah, we'll bounce back.
Go off the top of the hill. Sean, you just shot yourself. Not in.
They're pushing.
He's dead. They're pushing up this hill. Medic!
Fuck me. Yeah.
I didn't even get a shot. That was dude stood behind me.
Any idea where he is?
Medic!
Right. Down back. Fuck this.
Okay then.
What? At the container? Yeah, seen. Pushing. Left side, pushed. Right. Well, I mean, Seon's down there. Walking. What we'll do, mate. Oh, mate, I'm hitting you. Yes, got him. Right, mate, what me and you'll do is we'll push down that way.
What? Right.
Yeah. Right, ready? Ready?
Yeah, ready, go.
Right, let's go. Fuck me, I just ate shit. I just ate shit, mate.
Right, sorry, chill out.
I don't want to be mate. I just ate shit. Fucking hell.
Say goodbye to your boy. Right,
Oh, ah! Not me bollocks.
Say goodbye to your boys.
I don't have any anyway. Fuck me, my knee. And I seen it last second. Tried to dodge it, I was like, fuck, nope. Oh, we got a canny few down here.
There's Rhys, man. And Seon.
We got a canny few down here. Oh, push for medic. Vibing. Oh shit! Too busy gassing. On the corner. Yeah, see. Smoke. Get ready for a push. How the fuck did you get it? You got any babies?
I have one. I pour for him as well.
Fuck. Huh? Push it. I got fuck all in here. You got hit? Medic! Medic! Oh, what the fuck? Seon, down. Yeah, there's a medic. Just stop screaming, medic. Not louder than that, Seon. Push it, push it! Please fucking give me your gun. Huh? Wait, he's closer, so.
Get ready, guys, come round!
Come round!
Guys, get ready!
What's out?
Keep him back, boys, keep him back.
Alright, let's go watch. Alright, Sean, let's go. What? Fuck me. Right, oh!